50 essential hand tools. Every homeowner needs feeling overwhelmed by all the tools out there. Don't worry, most homeowners don't need hundreds of tools. Just these 50 essentials will cover almost every home repair or DIY project. From fixing leaks, hanging shelves, assembling furniture, or tackling emergencies, the right tools make all the difference. Measuring layout, tape measure, spirit level, carpenter's square, combination square, chalk line, ruler, straight edge, stud finder, handsaw, hacksaw, utility knife, tin snips, wire cutters, heavy-duty scissors, pruning shears, screwdrivers, fastening flathead, Phillips, precision screwdrivers, ratcheting screwdriver with slasher bits, hex keys, Allen wrenches, pliers, needle nose pliers, locking pliers, adjustable wrench hammers, striking tools, claw hammer, ball peen hammer, rubber mallet, dead blow hammer, wrenches, sockets, adjustable spanner, combination wrench set, socket set with ratchet, drilling, driving, manual hand drill or cordless drill, drill bit set, center punch, countersink, prying, pulling, clamping, crowbar, pry bar, nail puller, clamps, miscellaneous to specialty leveling, plumb bob, trowel, putty knife, chisels, caulking gun, electrical duct masking tape, safety gear, gloves, goggles, dust mask, multi-tool, AWL, extension cord. There you have it, 50 tools that cover almost every situation in your home. Organized, ready, and easy to use. No clutter, no confusion. Which of these tools is your must-have? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home DIY hacks and tool guides.